The toilet, we all have to go. But if you are normally using items like this to wipe because you're obsessed with being clean, let's talk about this bidet. I got the Brondell bidet for this toilet. So there are two features. You have one that shoots straight up and it hits you perfectly, and the other one sprays down. Now, the bidet goes back here in the toilet. The spray is back here, and you hook the plumbing. Um, I'm going to show you here from the water outlet that normally goes to your toilet. Up here is where you screw it in. This comes down and hooks in to the bidet. And if you see from the side, it is not an eyesore whatsoever. So I never thought I would love having a bidet. I thought it would be weird. Now I am obsessed with it. I mean, absolutely obsessed. It's one of those things you'd be embarrassed to tell your friends. Okay, when you point the water in the downward position, it's only really helping rinse out the toilet. I never need to use this feature, but I wanted to show you the power that it has. Now, if I turn it the other way, it will shoot my phone because the water sprays up with such force, it actually will hit your bathroom wall. I'm going to try to tiny spray it. As you see, oop, did you see that? It comes down and then it starts spraying upwards. You see that? And of course it got on my floor right here because the spray is so forceful. I really can't turn it all the way on to demo it for you. It will go straight up and hit the wall. But when you're sitting here on the toilet, it doesn't feel like it's spraying inside your body. I do want to point that out. It's a perfect aim every time. So if you are a lady or a gentleman that feels like you either don't get clean all the way down there because you maybe suffer hemorrhoids, or you're just obsessed with the cleanliness, because as you know, when we wipe with toilet paper, sometimes we think it's all the way clean, but it may not be. It eliminates the need for these, and it doesn't get all over your butt cheeks. It's just really the cleanest feeling ever. I never thought I'd be someone talking about bidets, especially on camera, but let me tell you, once you try it, you're never going to be able to not have it.